In today's tutorial we are going to talk about app monetization strategies. Welcome to my tutorial. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Android app monetization strategies. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you make money from your Android apps. Let's get started. These are the list of monetization strategies we have. In-app advertising, freemium model, subscription model, in-app purchases, affiliate marketing, sponsorships and brand partnerships, data monetization, with caution, crowdfunding and user feedback and continuous improvement. First up, we have in-app advertising. It's a tried and true method to monetize your Android app. Consider using ad networks like AdMob or Facebook Audience Network. But remember, finding the right balance between ads and user experience is crucial. Nobody likes a spammy app. What is in-app advertising? In-app advertising is the ads shown on mobile app while playing a mobile game, looking through social media, and also to doing anything on a mobile app. In-app advertising is the most powerful marketing strategy, because it makes the advertisers to reach the target audience based on the app's statistical analysis. The next one is freemium model. What is freemium model? Freemium is also a well-known business model for software and online services, where users can access a basic version of the product for free, and pay for additional features or benefits. In the freemium business model, users pay nothing to download your app and are offered optional in-app purchases for premium features, additional content, or digital goods. Freemium is a popular business model for software and online services, where users can access a basic version of the product for free, and pay for additional features or benefits. Premium is the opposite, where users have to pay upfront or subscribe to use the product. The next one is subscription model. What is subscription model? A subscription model is a payment method that allows a customer or organization to purchase or subscribe to a vendor's IT services for a specific period of time with an agreement set of price. Subscribers usually goes with the services on a monthly or annual basis. Subscription models are booming. Offer exclusive content, features, or ad-free experiences in exchange for a monthly fee. The next one is in-app purchases. What is in-app purchases? In-app purchases are a gold mine. Let users buy virtual goods, power UPS, or even digital downloads within your app. Games like Clash of Clans have made millions through this strategy. With some apps, you can buy additional content or services within the app. We call these in-app purchases. Here are some examples of in-app purchases: a sword that gives you more power in a game, a key that unlocks more features of an app. The next one is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process where companies, organization, content creators, or publishers earn a commission by promoting a product made by a retailer or advertiser. Don't forget affiliate marketing. Partner with companies related to your app's niche. Promote their products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral links. The next one is sponsorships and brand partnerships. What is sponsorships and brand partnerships? The sponsorship and partnerships companies a good way to interact with their target marketers and build their brands in a beautiful way. Sponsorships and brand partnerships can be lucrative too. If your app has a substantial user base, consider partnering with brands for sponsored content or collaborations. The next one is data monetization, with caution. What is data monetization, with caution? Data monetization is a sensitive topic. While it's possible to monetize user data, always prioritize user privacy and obtain explicit consent. Violating privacy rules can lead to serious consequences. Data monetization is the process of converting raw data into valuable insights, products, or services that can be sold or utilized for business growth. It allows organizations to capitalize on their data assets by generating new revenue streams or enhancing existing ones. There are two Main types of data monetization, internal and external. The next one is crowdfunding. What is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is the procedure of taking a huge amount of money to finance projects and businesses. This allows fundraisers to receive money from a huge number of people via online platforms. Crowdfunding is well known used by startup companies and also growing businesses as a way of accessing alternative funds. If you believe in your app's potential, try crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Let your users invest in your app's development and offer them exclusive perks. The next one is user feedback and continuous improvement. What is user feedback and continuous improvement? Remember, no matter which strategy you choose, user feedback is invaluable. Continuously improve your app based on their input. Happy users are more likely to support your monetization efforts. That's a wrap on Android app monetization strategies. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so experiment and find what works best for your app.
Please, if you enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So that, whenever I post a new video, YouTube will notify you and send you a notification. Thanks for watching.